Banana farmers in St. Mary are calling for help as they try to cope with the drought. They say that most times when funding is made available, they're not considered, and that needs to change. More in this report.
St. Mary, a parish known for its banana cultivation. But the farmers say the drought conditions, coupled with climate change, are much harsher than before, and they need help.
Not coping very well at all. We have experiencing the drought situation from as far back as about March. And although the period wasn't all that long like we had in 2015 and 16, but the temperatures that we have experienced this time around was really skyrocketed.
The conditions have significantly reduced their yield, costing them a pretty penny.
Before the drought, we were doing like about 180 boxes.
Per week, are they?
Per week. But now it has gone down to where we can't reap every week either. So it's gone down to almost zero.
In the peak time, I was reaping like 70 plus per week, boxes of banana, and I do ripe them and take them to Kingston to market them. Presently, last week I did not reap any. This week it's only 3 boxes that I got. So you see, with the back to school, the persons who you employ, it's hard on the farmer.
They're demanding more support from the government, as they claim too often they're excluded when funds are distributed.
Most of the time when these assistance come, the banana and plantain farmers are not included. It's more the farmers that do subsistence farming, more vegetable and along that line.
There's a catastrophe fund administered by the Banana Board. The farmers are hoping that it will cover the drought.
The funds are there, and we need the assistance like now. So we're calling on the powers that be to help the farmers. We need the help. We are the backbone of the industry. We have 1 and 2, large farmers like St. Mary Banana, probably they can stand on their own. But we need the help as a small farmer.
General Manager of the Banana Board, Janet Cooney, clarified that currently the catastrophe fund covers sudden shocks and events, which excludes drought. She says this is not uncommon globally, and the farmers would have to access this information from the manuals they distribute. Kean Morgan, TVJ News.